Good morning to everyone present here. I am Nivedita S. Nambiar, your host for the day. What a beautiful day. Good morning with Shivam Lakshmi Ayyappan was a beautiful experience for all of us, I'm sure. We learned so many little things and facts about the daily routine, diet, and care of elephants in Kerala. The Nature Club at SCV has always been at the forefront when it comes to initiatives that take us one step closer to nurturing nature. World Elephant Day is celebrated globally to celebrate elephants in all their splendid glory. It also aims at spreading awareness about the threats and dangers elephants are facing day to day. I now invite our beloved principal, Reverend Father Santhan Charuvil, to express his thoughts on World Elephant Day and to also announce the results of Lockdown Challenge number 1, where students were asked to create an almanac on the elephants of Kerala.
My dear teachers, students, and parents, and also elephant lovers, greetings from Sarvodaya Central Vidyalaya. Elephants are intelligent creatures with complex levels of consciousness with a profound role in our culture. The coexistence between elephants and humans are well documented in our epics also. There are two species of elephants, African and Asian. And recent scientific findings suggest that the forest-dwelling African elephant is a genetically distinct species, making it a third elephant species. Asian elephants are spread in 13 countries. In the past 50 years, the Asian elephant range has shrunk by over 70%. This clearly shows that we need to work hard to save these moving giants on Earth. World Elephant Day is an international annual event on August 12, dedicated to the preservation and protection of world's elephants. Elephants found in Kerala, the Indian elephants, are one of the 3 recognized subspecies of the Asian elephant. Along with the large population of wild elephants, Kerala has more than 550 domesticated elephants at present, which are mostly owned by temples and individuals. It is also the state animal, it being featured in the state emblem adopted from the erstwhile royal arms of Travancore and Cochin. The Nature Club at Sarvodaya Central Vidyalaya is observing this year's World Elephant Day. We strongly believe that students are the best vehicles to carry forward the torch to document, admire, and protect the elephants. To complement this vision, we have organized a competition to prepare an almanac on domesticated elephants in Kerala by our students. Through this lockdown challenge, we encourage our students and their parents to do research and to develop a conservation ethics based on local knowledge on domesticated elephants in Kerala. We know that this is just the tip of the iceberg to understand the importance and the need to save and protect the elephants. The almanacs prepared by our students will help other students to learn more about the domesticated elephants in Kerala. We pledge to update the information on a regular basis. We recognize that our students will be the best ambassadors to create awareness about the domesticated elephants and inculcate interest among other students also. I congratulate Ms. Usha Nair, our biology teacher and in charge of Nature Club at Sarvodaya Central Vidyalaya, for this great initiative. Now I would like to declare the winners of the lockdown challenge number 1, preparation of the Almanac done during June and July. Here are the winners. Category 1, that is classes 1 to 4. First position goes to Niranjana KS for C. Second position, Andrew Tom Jason, third A. Third position, Andrea Maria Jason, third A. Next, category 3, that is classes 8 to 10. Following are the winners. First position goes to Nandha Biju, 9D. Second position, Archa Ashok, 9A. Third position, Niranjana Vinu, 9D. Congratulations to the winners. My dear students, as a token of our appreciation for those participated in this competition, all other participants who have prepared and submitted the Almanac will also receive a certificate of participation. I congratulate all the winners and participants. Continue to join activities to serve our planet Earth. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring thoughts. I also congratulate all the winners for your hard work and perseverance. I am sure you were deeply enlightened by the facts you were able to discover during this period. Due to threats to the national habitat, ivory trading and poaching, elephants are dying at a much faster rate than ever before. A lot of people are working to reverse this trend and coming up with initiatives like Global Elephant Day. Let us pledge to save these glorious creatures. With this appeal, myself, Nivedita S. Nambia, signing off.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആരന്റെ ആനപ്പാപ്പാനേക്കിത് അത് കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. കളിയാനെ പനിനീര്, ഇവിടെ കളിയാനെ പനിനീര്, പനിനീര് കളിയാനെ.